Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. Are you ready to improve your English today? Sit back, relax, and let's start our new story, Mia and the Big Brown Bear. This is a girl named Mia. Mia is 9 years old. She is a very smart girl. Mia lives in a small house. The house is near a forest. The forest has many tall trees. She lives with her grandmother. Her grandmother is very kind. She makes good food for Mia. Today is a warm summer day. The sun shines in the sky. There are no gray clouds today. Mia wakes up in her bed. She stretches her short arms. She feels very happy today. She gets out of the bed. She walks to the small window. She looks at the green forest. The trees move in the wind. A small bird sits on the glass. The bird sings a happy song. Mia wears her favorite clothes today. She puts on a yellow shirt. She puts on blue pants. She puts on her brown shoes. The shoes are very strong. They are good for walking outside. She walks to the big kitchen. Her grandmother is standing there. She is cooking a hot breakfast. "Good morning," says young Mia. "Good morning, Mia," says her grandmother. "Are you hungry this morning?" Mia says yes very quickly. She sits at the round table. She waits for her hot food. Her grandmother gives her warm oatmeal. She puts red berries on top. She gives Mia a metal spoon. Mia eats the warm oatmeal. It is very sweet and good. She drinks a cup of cold water. After breakfast, Mia goes outside. She stands in the green grass. She breathes the fresh morning air. She wants to walk today. She wants to see the forest. She loves the tall green trees. "I am going to the forest," says Mia. "Be careful," says her grandmother. "Do not go very far." Mia walks on the dirt path. The path goes into the trees. It is very quiet and nice. She hears the small birds sing. The birds are yellow and blue. They fly high in the sky. She sees beautiful wildflowers. The flowers are pink and purple. They smell very sweet and fresh. Mia picks a small pink flower. She puts it in her hair. She feels like a forest princess. Mia walks for a long time. She looks at the small bugs. She sees a fast green frog. The green frog jumps very high. It jumps into a small pond. The water splashes on the dirt. Mia laughs at the funny frog. She continues her long walk. She feels very brave and strong. The forest gets a little dark. The trees are very big here. They block the yellow sun. Suddenly, she hears a loud noise. It comes from some big bushes. Mia stops walking on the path. She looks at the green bushes. The bushes move left and right. She is a little bit scared. A big animal comes out. It is a big brown bear. The bear is very, very big. Mia stands very still now. She does not run away. She looks at the brown bear. The bear looks at young Mia. It has small, dark brown eyes. It has a big black nose. The bear makes a quiet sound. It is not an angry sound. The bear looks very sad today. Mia sees something on the bear. The bear holds its big foot. The foot has a sharp thorn. The thorn is from a plant. It hurts the big brown bear. The bear cannot walk very well. Mia is a very kind girl. She wants to help the bear. She walks slowly to the animal. "Hello, big bear," says Mia softly. "I will help your foot." The bear sits on the ground. Mia looks at the big foot. She sees the sharp wooden thorn. She touches it with her fingers. She pulls the thorn very hard. The thorn comes out quickly. The bear makes a happy sound. Mia throws the thorn away. "You are okay now," she says. The bear stands up on 4 legs. The bear licks Mia's small hand. Its tongue is very rough. Mia smiles at the big bear. The bear walks on the path. It does not hurt any more. The bear is very hungry now. It sniffs the ground for food. It wants to eat sweet berries. It looks at the green bushes. Mia knows about the sweet berries. She knows where to find them. She walks in front of the bear. "Come with me," says young Mia. The bear follows the small girl. They walk together in the forest. They walk to a sunny place. There are many big green bushes. The bushes have many red berries. The red berries are very sweet. The bear is very happy now. It eats the berries very fast. Mia picks some berries too. She eats them with her hands. The berries are warm and good. The bear eats a lot of food. Its big stomach is very full. It sits down in the sun. Mia sits next to the bear. The bear is very warm and soft. It is a very good friend. They sit together for 1 hour. The forest is very peaceful today. The sun is high and bright. A small butterfly flies by them. It is an orange and black butterfly. It lands on the bear's nose. The bear looks at the butterfly. It does not move its head. The butterfly flies away into the sky. Mia laughs a very happy laugh. The bear looks at her face. They are having a good day. A gray squirrel runs up a tree. It has a big, bushy tail. The bear watches the fast squirrel. It is time to go home. The afternoon is almost over now. Grandmother is waiting in the house. Mia stands up on her feet. She cleans her dirty small hands. She looks at her new friend. "I have to go," says Mia. "Goodbye, big brown bear." The bear looks at her and blinks. Mia walks back on the path. She walks towards her small house. She turns around to look back. The bear is watching her walk. It stands on 2 big legs. It waves its big brown arm. Mia waves her hand back happily. She walks very fast now. She wants to see her grandmother. The walk back is very easy. The birds are still singing loudly. The forest is a safe place. She sees her house very soon. Her grandmother is outside the door. She is holding a blue basket. "Welcome back, Mia," says her grandmother. "Did you have a good walk?" Mia nods her head yes. "I saw a big brown bear," she says. "He had a sharp thorn. I helped him take it out." Her grandmother looks very surprised. "You are very brave," she says. "You are a very kind girl." They go inside the small house. Mia washes her hands with soap. She washes her face with water. Grandmother makes a big hot dinner. She cooks chicken and yellow rice. The food smells very nice tonight. They sit at the round table. They eat the hot dinner together. Mia is very hungry after walking. The chicken is very soft today. The yellow rice is very warm. Mia eats all of her food. Grandmother pours some cold milk. She gives the glass to Mia. Mia drinks the milk very quickly. They talk about the next day. Grandmother wants to bake a cake. Mia wants to help her bake. She tells more of the story. She talks about the red berries. She talks about the orange butterfly. Grandmother listens to the long story. She smiles at her brave granddaughter. She is proud of young Mia. After dinner, Mia is very tired. She helps wash the dirty plates. She dries them with a cloth. She goes to her small bedroom. She puts on her white pajamas. She brushes her teeth very clean. She gets into her warm bed. Her grandmother comes to the room. She brings a thick storybook. She reads a story to Mia. The story is about a forest. It is about a brave girl. Grandmother finishes the nice storybook. She kisses Mia on the forehead. "Good night, my brave girl," she says. "Good night, grandmother," says tired Mia. The room is very dark now. The moon shines in the sky. Mia closes her heavy brown eyes. She thinks about the big bear. She thinks about his soft fur. She knows he is safe tonight. He is sleeping in the forest. He has a full, happy stomach. She hopes to see him again. She will visit the red berries. She will look for her friend. Mia falls asleep very quickly. She dreams about the green forest. She has a very beautiful dream. The next day will be fun. The sun will rise again tomorrow. Mia will have a new adventure. That is the end of our story today. Mia was very brave and kind, wasn't she? If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Easy Story Studio for more easy English stories. See you next time.